What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur, and today I want to show you what is the easiest way to make $100 per day from Google. Now, we're not selling a product or we're not doing any of the stuff from drop shipping and all that crap, okay? You know, it works and you can make money. However, I want to show you a service business that you can run right now and start making money. So I'm going to walk you through this step by step, make sure that you understand exactly how it works. But first, I just want to ask you, hit that thumbs up button if you like these style of videos, and also make sure you share this video with your friends and family over on Facebook, because I guarantee you they want to know how to make $100 a day as well. So first thing we're going to do right here on google.com. Now, what most people do and what I used to struggle with is I would try to compete for the most competitive keywords out there, and that's a big issue. So yeah, I said keywords, okay? We're going to go after keywords, but we're not going to go after keywords for your website. What we are going to do, we're going to go find businesses out there that we can sell a service to. The service we're going to sell is we're going to do SEO. We're going to do some link building for their website. However, there's one trick here that I use that gets me clients more often than not, and also I get paid every single time. So here's what I do. Let me show you. So one of the things I do differently than most people is I don't go after, dentists in Seattle. I know most people do. I live in the Seattle area, so that's the reason why I bring that up. Or, dentist in Dallas, dentist in Los Angeles, psychologist in LA, whatever, okay? What I'm going to do is I'm going to type in dentist in Burlington, Washington, okay? So there we go. So dentist in Burlington, Washington. Burlington is a small, fairly small city in between Bellingham and like Everett. Small. Anyway, if you want to know how many people are actually searching for this, you can put brackets, okay, the quotes around your search, hit enter, and you're going to see, or that's not how many people are searching, that's how many people are actually trying to rank for this exact keyword. So dentist in Burlington, Washington, there's 822 different people trying to go after that. You can see it right here. Dentist Burlington, Washington. Dentist in Burlington, Washington. Okay, you get the point. Okay, so one of the things we can do is we can target this exact keyword. However, we don't want to go after the companies that are at the top. Okay, and let's say we want to get rid of dentist, or we do best dentist in Burlington. Okay, let's say we get rid of that right there. Let's see how many come up with that. 39. Okay, so let's say we're going to go after this. Best dentist in Burlington. I'm going to click on more places. Okay, because I don't want to go after the companies that are at the top. I want to find somebody that's, down here a little bit. And you can go after every single one of these companies. Okay, and just let them know. Send them an email. You can send them a letter if you want to. I'd recommend email. But one of the things we're going to do is we're actually going to go and promote these companies before they ever say yes. Here's why. So in just a second, I'm going to show you this website that I use to build links to these different companies, all right? Now, here's the reason why I'm going to build these links first, and then I'm going to target and really get in front of these companies. The reason why is simple. It's actually because if you go up to a company and be like, hey, I have this service, it's going to cost you $100 a month, and it works. It's guaranteed to work, or else I'll give you your money back. Some of the people are going to be a little bit skeptical because, one, everybody calls them on the phone and tells them that exact same thing. And it's a bunch of crap. Some people will actually do the work. Some people won't, will take their money, and then when they offer that guarantee, hey, if you don't get the results you like, we're going to give you your money back, and they're nowhere to be found. Okay? They pretty much packed up shop. They moved on to the next scam. This is not a scam. It's an actual way to make money. Okay? Let me show you that website, and then let me explain exactly how it works and why it works 100% of the time. Okay? The website is called WikiRanker. Okay? It's $27 a month. No, I don't have an affiliate link. So what you do is you can actually build links to different websites, and you can automate the whole process. You can actually do a drip feed where it only allows it to build, 3 links, 5 links, 10 links, 20 links a day. But okay, you can see right here with the drip feed. Okay, and so the way it works is you go and if you want to go check it out, you can go check it out. But really the way it works is this website, this software is building links for you, okay, on websites that are already out there. You can kind of see this is the report that they're going to send you. Once it's all done, you can see some reviews. But here's the pricing. You can get the unlimited monthly access, or you can get unlimited 1-year access. You obviously save money here, but go try it out. It's $27 a month or $127 for the entire year. Now, there is a trick that I like to use that makes it so that I can control everything that I do, plus everything that happens on this site. So let me explain. This is called Wiki. I put Wiki up here. It's Wiki Ranker. This is the customer site. But you can see there's a difference. I'm not doing a link right over there to that site. And the reason why is because I want to control some part of it. I want to control one of the aspects. The aspect I like to control is that middle section, the new site. What do I mean by a new site? What I like to do is I actually take one of my own sites, or for you if you're just starting out, go and buy a new site. And when I say a new site, I'm not talking about one that has never been purchased before. I'm talking about a website or a domain name that actually has some type of, standing with Google, has been around for years. And here's how you do it, okay? Let me show you the website I like to use. It's actually called flippa.com, okay? Flippa.com right up here, okay? So you can see that. The reason why I like to use Flippa is because I can buy websites that have a decent domain authority, decent page authority. They are good sites, been around for years, right? So we're going to click here, Browse Assets, click on Domains, see all domains. Now here's what we want to do. I want to bring down monthly profit because I don't really care if it makes any money. Okay, I don't care how it's monetized. Time remaining, don't care. Okay, don't care. Now for age, I want to be up there a little bit. Okay, let's do 2 years. Okay, 2 years. You can add filters if you want to. I don't really care. Extensions, doesn't matter to me. Okay, you can do all that stuff. There's app filters. There's website filters. Again, I don't really care. Okay, and so let's see where we're at. 2 years. Let's bring that down a little bit. 1 year. Click on that. Fortunately, you didn't get any results. All right. Let's bring that up a little bit. Let's search again. Still no results. All right. Let's just go look. Okay. So you can see here. There's a bunch of different. These are actual websites. Asset. This is a domain. Okay. One of the things I want to do is I want to find something that doesn't just work for the dental industry or the construction industry. I want to find something that works for all industries. And here's the reason why. So when I create that site, okay, let me put it on this back side. Let me put a different marker. So when I create that new website, this one right here, okay, I don't just have that one article or that one page for that one website. What I do is I actually have a full site, okay, with multiple articles about, dentists, okay. Okay, I have a bunch of articles about, construction. Okay, I have a bunch of articles on, let's see what else. You can do painting. Okay, I have a bunch of articles on fitness for gyms. Okay, and it's pretty much just like a news website, but I talk a bunch about dentists and teeth and all this stuff, construction, renovations, remodeling, painting, indoor painting, exterior painting, painting chairs, whatever it is, fitness, losing weight, gaining muscle, all that stuff. Okay, New Year's resolutions. Okay, all that's important. But the reason why I do this is because I choose one website. Okay, like I'm showing you over here, choose one website, and let's say I pay a few $100s for it. Okay, yeah, you're in the red, you're negative for the moment, but the benefit of doing this is you have a website that is going to be able to rank much faster, and also you're going to be able to get those links to flow right through your site. So if you have that website and you're talking about dental stuff, construction, painting, and fitness, if you link directly to those pages and then link over here to the customer's site, what you're doing is actually just funneling everything right through. And again, the reason why this works is because I spend a lot of time going after these companies. Okay, I write a quick little article. It's probably 800 to maybe 1,000 words. Okay, on something on dentists or how to get whiter teeth. And if you want whiter teeth, and you're in the what was the thing that I just looked at? If you're in the Burlington, Washington area, this is the best dentist in Burlington. I would have a link using this exact phrase right here, and it would send them to the best dentist, which would be Haggis Family Dentistry, or Hargis Family Dentistry, or Fuller Dental, or Mr. Todd and Greason, DDS, or Bailey LaRosa. Okay, I have no clue. I have no clue about any of these. But what I do know is the strategy works. All right, you just have to stick with it. So let's kind of go back over this one more time. The reason why this works so well, okay, mainly because you're funneling these links through your site, okay, over to the customer site. Okay, let me explain again why this works. Because if the customer, the person that you went after, the dentist, the contractor, the landscaper, the painter, the photographer, whoever it was, okay, the doctor, I don't care who it was, but if that person that you went after says no, they don't care, or you show them, hey, I did this 2 weeks ago and your website went up from page 5 to page number 1, you're actually in the 8th spot because of what I did. Do you think they're going to want to pay you $100 to keep that going, to keep moving them up the search engine? Yes, they will. It's almost 100% guaranteed that if you show them proof of what you did, they're going to pay you to keep their website there. Instead, you can be like, because I've already contacted a few other dentists in the area, and you were the first one on my list. I just want to make sure, if this is something that you're interested in, that I give you the first, the first option, the first bid. Okay, I'm only going to charge $100 for it. So if you want to pay $100, great. If the other person wants to pay $100 and you don't want to, I'm going to go to your competition. Okay, so I don't want to force your hand or anything, but I'm just saying this is what I was able to do in 2 weeks time. Just think what I could do in 1 month, 2 months, or even 3 months. Okay, it's only $100 a month. Is $300 for the next 3 months? Is that something that you're willing to pay? Most people are, because you already set up that website. All you have to do is go in to that website and change the link from, okay, and all you got to do, like I said, is change that link that says Best Dentist in Burlington from Bailey LaRosa to the Patterson Family Dental Care. They want to pay it. So I'm just going to switch and put their website link inside my website that you picked up from Flippa.com or some other place wherever you buy it. Okay, and again, you're running links using WikiRanker. Okay, you can use other sites as well. This one has been working really well for me. That's why I'm recommending it. But there's other ones as well. Okay, let's say you go after a dentist in Surrey, British Columbia. Okay, here's another tip. Let me give you one more tip. Okay, because I know so many people struggle with, how do I actually get clients? Like I said, one of the things I do is I show them what I've already done. Okay, so before I get in front of that customer, that client, a potential client, I show them what I can do because I've already done that to their website. And it's so simple for me to just go right back in and switch out the links to some other website, and then I'll do the exact same thing with them. Hey, over the last 2 weeks, I've actually increased your, and don't tell them lies, okay? Tell them the truth. If it didn't do anything, then you gotta keep working on it, okay? But if it works, which in most cases it does, if you're going after the right keywords, like I showed you, make sure you put the quotation marks around whatever keyword you're trying to go after. Find something that's under about 5,000. If it's under 1,000, you should do pretty good. And if it's under 100, you should be able to rank very fast. Okay, but find something that's pretty low. Go after that keyword. Okay, mix up the words if you have to. Find something that works, and then target that. Okay. Now, for my one tip that I have for you guys, most people go to big cities inside the United States. Obviously, bigger cities, more money for the customer, so chances are more money for you to offer these services. However, if all you're trying to do is make $50 to $100 a day, $250, $500, whatever it is, $1,000, you can get away with offering a service for $100 a month when you're barely doing anything. You're writing one article, you're putting in a few links, you're setting up the whole campaign over on WikiRanker, and you're just letting it run. If you do that, what happens is you're getting paid about $100 for less than an hour worth of work. Pretty good, right? You're getting like doctor type money. Okay? But my tip for you guys, don't go after the big cities. Go after something like Burlington, Washington, Surrey, British Columbia. not Vancouver, okay? Not Montreal. I'm not going after Dallas, Texas, okay? Maybe I'll go after El Paso. Maybe instead of going after Los Angeles, you go after something like your Redding, California, okay? Instead of something like Portland, Oregon, you go after something like Bend, Oregon, okay? You get the picture. Don't go after the big cities just yet. Prove your model, okay? Get some testimonials behind your business first. Then the word of mouth is just going to work for you, not work against you, okay? Because if you can't do something and you are telling somebody, this works, I know how to do it, and then you go and do it and it doesn't work, what's going to happen is word of mouth is actually going to do the opposite of what you want to do. It's going to hurt your business, okay? So if you guys have any questions on how this method works, it's very simple. It's one of the easiest ways to make $100 a day from Google, whether it's google.com, Google, .ca, doesn't matter. Google in general is a great business. In my opinion, is one of the best websites to make any money online. Because number one, it's one of the biggest websites in the entire world. Number two, there's a lot of money going through Google and you probably don't know it. Okay, so if you guys have any questions, let me know. Hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed today's video. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't done so already and want to see more videos on how to make money online. I'll see you guys on the next one.